Alright everybody, welcome back. Today I'm here, Osku Palermo's with me. We're bowling one game with a 6-pound house ball.
I matched up to my shirt. Why didn't you?
I didn't know we were using
it kind of matched it up.
It kind of matches up. It's, yeah, really close. One game, winner take all. Do we have any bets on the line? Any rules?
Tell me.
I don't know. There's an idea. Dinner.
Okay.
So low guys got dinner.
Okay. But we need a tweak on this. We can't just do the same thing for 10 frames.
Okay, what's the twist?
Let's do at least 3 frames backup.
At least 3 frames.
And
Any 3 frames of choice?
Sure. Let's do that you have to not use the same arrow all the time.
Okay.
Picky on if you hit it or not, but you have to move around the lane.
So 3 balls have to be backup and you have to move across the lane, left and right, forward and back, whatever you want to call it.
We had a few practice shots, they're hooking. It's gonna be interesting.
This is gonna be fun. Let's get into it.
We're gonna do predictions. What's your prediction on your score?
I think I got 150 or 160.
Yeah. You make spares?
I can make some spares.
Yeah. So I need 165. I don't know, make spares though. Safe.
I'm gonna start with the backup ball. Need 3 frames of them. Might as well get them out of the way.
That was super curve for your dad. Well done. I'm gonna go with your strategy.
Also gonna get the backup ball out of the way early. And leave the same thing on the other side. That's hooking right by it. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya.
Yeah, you would. Yeah, you would. Yeah, you would.
No! Come on! What a sick messenger. Come on, give me one.
It was also his first strike. We bowled like 5 minutes practice.
Alright, that's such a lie.
Is it? But is it?
Oh, it definitely is. Lucky it got there.
No, I didn't want to break the ball.
So do the backup balls have to be 3 different arrows too?
Your place, your rules.
Alright, I'll move in for you. I'll move in.
That's not in. That's the 3rd arrow. That was in for most of the lefties. That's just straight.
That was in, just in the gutter.
Yeah, well done. I hope you do it again.
Oh no. How did you get 8 from that? That's fine. 8's a lot, considering that was on a strike. Osku's 2nd backup. Man, that's a hard spare.
That's just wrong. That's impossible to make.
Wow.
You will never see that again with a 6-pounder. Push.
That's such a terrible break. That's so not fair.
How? You missed the hit by a mile.
So we're gonna try to hit the right side of the head pin and hope that the ball deflects into the pin.
You just don't want to hit it in the middle. That's in the middle.
Hit it in the middle. Yeah, that makes perfect sense. Slow wheel. Oh no!
I clearly shouldn't change balls there.
That was a massive opening for me. I opened in the 4th with a washout. Unfortunate break. Also opened in the 3rd, and he gave it right back to me. So now it's time to take advantage of it.
That 160 is quite far away from him, though.
I got plenty of time.
Stay there. Oh, come on.
All right.
Now that's a massive break.
That's huge. By the 8 falling there, that at least makes this somewhat makeable.
Unfortunately, not enough hook.
That's so not right. Osku up 7 for 5 frames. What a break. That's so not fair.
That's pretty good.
The fact that the ball actually went to the left side of the 10 pin is very shocking. Deflection from 6-pound balls is very real. And the fact that he threw it slow enough that it just did that, wild. Backup ball for the spare. Spare. Yo, come on, that's just great. I don't think you could do that again if you tried.
Okay. Serves him right.
So not right.
He tried to play safe, throwing it hard. Serves him right. He almost got super lucky. He was going for the deflection and he missed the pin completely and not nearly made it.
Osku going with the big wheel here. Through 25.
Yes, is it the 9 pin to the 10 pin or I don't know.
I'm gonna go with the same strategy because it looked okay. I'm gonna do the same. Hard didn't work well the last time.
Pretty good.
The deflection is so real. Just keep filling frames. Stay patient. My time's gonna come. It's got it. I'm so happy that I didn't double.
10 pin was not the pin I was expecting to leave there.
Slow wheel with the backup ball. No problem.
In what world is that a good shot and gets 8? That's just mind-boggling that he got 8 there.
How did that hook?
I guess he needs a lesson in physics. What do I need to do to give you a chance?
0-0 gives me a good chance. 0 on the first one gives me a really good chance.
I don't work that way. It's for lunch. Oh, that's gonna give you a chance to tie, right?
If he gets 1, I need all 3 to tie, and there's been 3 strikes between both
Where
of
it
us.
goes, I don't know. I'm gonna try and chop it.
No way he chops this. All 3 to win by 1.
3 by 1. He did give it a go.
Well, he did beat. What are you thinking for this last one? This last shot, I got 1 shot left.
Between legs.
Between the legs?
Over under, so 7.5. It's the under.
We tried.
Good job.
I lost fair and square there.
That 9th frame killed you.
Yeah, Osku beat me 145, 127.
Understandable. That 1-2 combination, life-threatening to me.
Yeah.
Makes me.
The deflection was real, obviously. I did have the hit of the game though with the messenger. Play the replay. No! Come on!
You did have the coolest strike.
That was the coolest strike, but unfortunately.
I had a message with 10 pin, 3 pin or whatever, off the pin. It'll be on the slow-mo.
Just because you got the coolest strike doesn't mean you're gonna win the game. So I lost. I owe Osku lunch or dinner, whatever he
Spares
wants
matter.
to choose. Spares do matter. Make your spares, kids.
Make your scares. Spares.
Kids, make your spares. That's gonna wrap this one up. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and wait.
Hey, I won. My channel first.
Okay, so go check
Continue.
out his channel. Link will be down below for that. Subscribe to mine, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.